I am Dr. Swarshla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. There are some methods that are proven to improve sperm quality in infertile men. Sperm quality is defined by the count, motility, and morphology of sperms, and it also includes DNA integrity. These can be improved with a combination of lifestyle, nutrition, supplements, and medical care. So, eat a fertility boosting diet by choosing foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Nutrient benefit sources can be many. Zinc boosts testosterone and sperm count. Pumpkin seeds, lentils, eggs, selenium improve motility. Brazilian nuts, fish, folate support sperm development. Leafy greens, legumes, vitamin C and E protect sperm from oxidative damage. Citrus, almond, sunflower seeds, omega-3 enhance sperm fluidity or motility. Walnuts, chia, salmon, and a Mediterranean diet is strongly associated with improved sperm parameters. Take fertility specific supplements. These can significantly improve sperm quality over a 3-month period. That's the timeline for sperm production cycle anyway. The role of supplements should be understood. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 improves sperm motility and energy. L-carnitine enhances movement and sperm concentration. Zinc plus folic acid combination is proven to improve count and morphology. Vitamin E, C is useful for DNA protection from oxidative stress. Selenium enhances structure and mobility. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to have anti-inflammatory effect on testicular environment. Ashwagandha or Withania somnifera is a natural adaptogen. It boosts testosterone and sperm count. In addition to all this, manage stress and improve sleep. Chronic stress increases cortisol, lowers testosterone, which can be harmful. Poor sleep is equal to low sperm count and motility. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep. Try yoga, breathing exercises, mindfulness or therapy, but also maintain a healthy weight. Obesity converts testosterone to estrogen, increases oxidative stress, leads to poor sperm morphology and DNA damage. Even 5 to 10% weight loss can improve sperm quality. Quit drinking, smoking, avoid drugs. Smoking reduces sperm count and causes sperm DNA damage. Alcohol lowers testosterone and impairs sperm development. Anabolic steroids and marijuana, cocaine directly harm spermatogenesis. Protect sperm from heat and toxins. Harmful exposure is not good because they are known to have toxic effects on sperms. Laptops on laps increases scrotal heat. Tight underwear raises testicular temperature. Hot tubs, saunas impair sperm formation. Plastics with phthalates disrupt endocrine function. Pesticides, heavy metals are toxic to sperm. Choose only loose cotton boxes and avoid plastic containers for food storage. Treat underlying medical conditions. Varicocele should be treated. Hormonal imbalances should be treated. And in addition to that, infections should be addressed. Diabetes, thyroid disorders should be managed properly. And in addition to all this, advanced medical options can also be helpful, like sperm DNA fragmentation test, hormonal therapy, antioxidant therapy, assisted reproductive technologies like ICSI, IVF are also important. To understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.